We're in Kingston City. Look at all of the modern buildings. Show them Pegasus. Pegasus there. We're in Kingston City and we are back on the giveaway trail. You know, we give away a lot of stuff. We give you free shipping coupons as a platinum member, and it's free to join our platinum membership. And then every now and then we'll just pop up, right? I will give you a free coupon. Now in order for Maxine to win this coupon, she has to answer a question. After she answers the question, she's going to choose an envelope. After she chooses the envelope and she get the right one, hopefully she get the right one, she's going to win a free shipping coupon so she can ship her next item with us. Alright? Let me see what's happening. Alright. Whoa, it's heavy. How much did you pay to ship this big old item which is so heavy I can't even manage it? Alright, I told you now, that's the right answer. Alright, I want you to choose some envelopes. One of them don't have any price, one of them have a price. Choose which envelope you want. You go the small envelope? No, you want to go the small envelope. Tell me.
Big one, man.
Just the big one. But look here. Let's see what's in the big one. I'm not sure what's in the big one. Let's look. Could we tell her what she missed? Alright, you know what? You're a great customer. You're not going to miss it. This is what she chose, guys. You saw when she said she wanted a big envelope, right? So, she won for herself a free shipping coupon, right? Okay. Alright, so on your next purchase, we're going to apply the coupon and we're going to reduce the price on the shipping even further. So she might even pay zero. I don't know. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll catch you again on the next delivery giveaway.